fix Bluetooth settings are missing on Windows. 1. Disable then re-enable the Bluetooth driver software in Device Manager. 2. Check whether Bluetooth support service is on. 3. Install the default drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Check whether the drivers are up to date via the above mentioned Avast driver updater. 5. Download the latest version of Bluetooth drivers. 6. Boot your system into Windows Safe Mode, then rid of the troublesome item. 7. Enable Bluetooth on taskbar by enabling Show the Bluetooth icon in the notification area option. Bluetooth and other device settings. More Bluetooth options. 8. Use the Bluetooth troubleshooter.